So we're locked down in Barbados and you have a lot of time on your hands, so I'm going to do a DIY project of converting a barrel into DIY composter. This is a standard barrel, and hopefully after watching a lot of YouTube videos on how to do this, I should be able to convert this into some version of my own and get it up and running. So let's see. Okay, so we drilled some holes for the hardware in the top of the barrel to accept the hinges, and also we made a marking for the cutaway. That would be the door entrance for the compost to go in there. So now I'm going to offer up the hardware so that I'm just sure that everything fits together properly. So when you're doing this type of stuff, there's really no hard and fast rules on what you should and what you shouldn't do. You basically just leave it up to your creativity and imagination on what you're going to do and how you're going to build your own device. Okay, so once you have the hardware offered up, you have to remove it in order to cut the slot. Alright, so now we have the hardware attached and we have our trapdoor working. Next step is to drill some holes in the barrel. So that's what we're going to do. So okay, here's the finished product. I put some scoops on the inside of the barrel, which are basically pieces of PVC guttering, which I screwed to the side of the barrel so that it would help the compost rotate better inside, stop it from sticking to the side of the barrel. Basically latch back. Barrel, and then you put it on this rotating caster rig which I made to help the barrel rotate. You just drop it on top there. and you rotate the barrel. That's it. You put your compost inside and just add some soil and keep rotating it once a day for about 3 months, and it should break down and you should have compost at the end of that exercise. All right, thanks everyone for watching.